One look at the resort and I'm sure it's a wow to all of us. The ostentatious lobby, the luxurious bedroom, the splendid swimming pool, the ethereal interiors and the breathtaking landscape. And what not? Exciting, isn't it? Do you want to conceive and design such elegant and fashionable buildings or resorts? Do you want to design and construct monuments, edifices or do creative landscaping? Or your interest could be in interior designing with murals, fashion designing, product designing, furniture designing, or antique elements, wall paintings, canvas paintings, etc. For this, you have to choose architecture. And for you to pursue architecture, you have to clear entrance exams like NATA or JEE B.Arch. Join IR to get complete guidance on NATA Syllabus, question paper models, when to apply, where to apply, how to apply, which college is better, registration, etc. etc. Contact IARC now. Choose your career wisely and start exploring architecture, the world of innovations. Ascertain your future with a wide scope of architecture and become an architect.